Let's highlight the design process of this amazing kinetic marble machine. I wanted to talk about the personal fulfillment I get from a creative project like this. I didn't start with any rigorous plans, and I won't have any plans available for this project. Making detailed plans just hurts my brain, so planning is like visiting the dentist. I only do it when I have to. The build process was really more art than engineering, and that was the most rewarding part of this build. Caffeine, more caffeine, sugary snacks, trial and error. Fit and adjust, break and fix, frowns to smiles. The marbles will lift towards the top of the sculpture on a wooden saw blade. One marble will fit in a hole on each tooth of the blade and rotate upwards. After using a compass to scribe a perimeter line, I marked where each drill hole should start. The 16 available holes for lifting the marbles and the 6 RPM motor I'm using means that the mechanism can lift 96 marbles to the top of the machine per minute. I built a 5-degree tapered platform out of scrap wood to hold the saw blade on that slope, and then used a 5/8 Forstner bit on my drill press to make each hole. When the hole is at the bottom of its rotation, it will slant backwards from the face of the blade so that the marble can fall into hole. As the saw blade moves up to the top of the rotation, the slanted hole will then dump the marble forward. Gravity does the rest. I guess it shows that Isaac Newton wasn't a crackpot after all. Other specialty hardwoods were featured when making rotating marble: tumblers, a jump ramp, and other directional ramp switching features. Rare varieties included lacewood, paddock, winch, cocobolo, zebrawood, and bubinga hardwoods from Africa and South America. In the end, the project took me 6 weeks to complete. The movement of the marbles on the machine, especially on the soup bowl drain feature and the jump ramp, are simply mesmerizing to watch. See the non-AI build video at the link provided.
Well, I was actually encouraged with the AI software when I saw some woodworking tools, but it lost me with the cappuccino machine, a naked David statue, and the lemons on the cutting board. I'll just shake my head and move on. See the real marble machine build video in the upcoming link. Stay frosty.